Strite Marine Triton G810, Power and Reliability at Sea. The Strite Marine Triton G810 is a strong and fast patrol boat designed for tough missions on the water. Built with durable materials and modern technology, it offers excellent speed, smooth handling, and steady performance in different sea conditions. Its flexible design allows it to be customized for many tasks, such as fighting piracy, coastal patrols, or urgent search and rescue operations. The Triton G810 comes with a solid hull and powerful engines, giving it reliable performance even in rough environments. It also features advanced navigation and communication systems that improve awareness and control during missions. These features make it a valuable tool for ensuring maritime security and mission success. With its mix of strength, technology, and adaptability, the Triton G810 sets a high standard for modern tactical patrol boats. Ever dreamed of taming the dunes with the power of a real sand rail, only scaled down to your hands? Meet the Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar, a machine built to deliver full-size thrills in a 1/8 scale package. At its heart lies the brutal Valinian 1200XL brushless motor paired with the VXL8 SESC, pushing this beast past 55 miles per hour when powered by dual 4S LiPo packs. That's raw speed packed into a rugged fiberglass tube chassis, strengthened with polished aluminum arms and GT Max threaded shocks for unstoppable performance. The details make it even more lifelike: realistic paddle tires, hybrid braking with front discs and rear motor control, and a scale replica body measuring 812 by 551 by 498 millimeters. Even steering is handled by a metal gear servo designed for precision under pressure. With advanced electronics like TQI 2.4 GHz radio, telemetry, and TSM stability control, this isn't just an RC. It's a sand shredding experience. The Traxxas Sandcar doesn't just mimic reality, it redefines what scaled power feels like. Imagine owning a beast that's so rare, only 999 people in the world can ever have it. That's the Team Coralie Kagama XP Limited Edition, a monster truck built to thrill and designed to dominate. From the moment you unbox it, this 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive powerhouse feels like pure engineering art. A gold anodized 7075 aluminum chassis, massive shock towers, and reinforced gearbox bulkheads, every part screams durability. This isn't just a toy, it's a precision-built machine made for serious performance. At its heart beats the Grizzly 945 4-pole motor, paired with a Toro 185 ESC. Together, they unleash blistering speed and power across 2 to 6S LiPo batteries, giving you the kind of acceleration that feels unstoppable. Steering is sharp and responsive thanks to a waterproof 32 kg torque servo, while the Connecticut 3P programmable radio keeps control smooth and interference-free. Add rugged suspension and 90 mm of ground clearance, and you've got a truck ready for any terrain. This is more than just a monster truck, it's a collector's dream, a high-octane bashing machine, and a statement of pure innovation. With only 999 ever made, the Kagama XP isn't just rare, it's legendary.
The 58mm plastic edging from Russia makes installing slabs easier, especially on walls that are between 0.2 inches and 2.3 inches thick. This edging is flexible and can bend without breaking, and it doesn't need to be set in concrete. It comes in colors like olive, black, and brown, making it a great choice for places like playgrounds and around circular tree beds. For a stronger and more lasting option, you can also use metal borders made from galvanized steel or aluminum. These metal edges work well for separating garden beds and pathways. They come in lengths between 1.2 and 2.5 meters and include parts to make them thicker and to connect pieces together easily. Both plastic and metal edging options cost around $4 per section. This simple and affordable solution helps improve the look and structure of outdoor spaces quickly and efficiently.
Meet the Biohybrid Duo, a futuristic ride that fuses the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a car. This German-engineered 2-seat quadricycle is built for the modern city. Powered by dual 250W motors, it delivers smooth electric assistance up to 25 km per hour. Its 48 volts 1.2 kWh battery offers a 50 km range, which can stretch to 100 km with a second pack. At just 80 centimeters wide and weighing around 80 to 120 kilograms, it glides effortlessly through bike lanes and tight urban spaces. The Duo isn't just about efficiency, it's packed with smart features. You get four-wheel suspension for comfort, hydraulic disc brakes for safety, and LED lights with turn signals for visibility. A panoramic roof and windshield wiper keep you covered in all weather. Inside, a 5-inch multi-touch display provides GPS, 4G connectivity, navigation, and even a topology-based range projection. Add a USB port, reverse gear, and it feels more like a mini electric car than a bike. Perfect for commuters and eco-conscious explorers, the Bio-Hybrid Duo is more than transport. It's a glimpse into how cities of the future will move. Compact, smart, sustainable, this is urban mobility reimagined.
Rafnar leisure boats, made by an Icelandic company that launched its first model in 2015, have quickly gained attention for their smart design and performance. One of the biggest innovations is their UR hull technology, which helps reduce impact from waves by 95% compared to traditional boats. This means a much smoother and safer ride with less chance of injuries or seasickness. Another impressive feature is that Rafnar boats can flip themselves upright instantly if they capsize. The Rafnar 1100 model showcases all of this. It has 3 powerful engines producing a total of 1,150 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 93 kilometers per hour. With room for 12 people, it's ideal for fishing trips, handling rough waters, or even for search and rescue missions.
Meet the Duo Moke, a futuristic, fully enclosed 4-wheel electric velcar that blends rugged design with urban versatility. Features and benefits. Built on a chromoly steel frame with a removable aluminum top cabin, the Duo Moke easily switches between carrying passengers or cargo. Compact yet sturdy, it measures just 171.5 centimeters long, 80 centimeters wide, and 110 centimeters tall, with a comfortable seat height of 84 centimeters. Weighing only 120 kilograms including the battery, it's powered by a rear-wheel electric motor, offering smooth, efficient rides up to 25 kilometers per hour in legal e-bike mode. Steering is intuitive with tillers, while disc brakes up front and drum brakes at the rear ensure safe stopping. The coiled spring suspension on both ends delivers a surprisingly comfortable ride for city streets or light cargo runs. Context and real-world impact. This nimble electric velcar redefines urban mobility, offering a perfect mix of weather protection, modular flexibility, and lightweight efficiency. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend adventures, or small deliveries, the Duo Moke adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. Strong closing statement. Compact, versatile, and futuristic, the Duo Moke isn't just a ride, it's a whole new way to move through the city. Meet the Pedillo, a futuristic, solar-assisted quadricycle that redefines urban commuting. Fully enclosed, ultra-light, and built for speed, it's a single-seat marvel designed for the city of tomorrow. Features and benefits. The Pedillo's sleek cabin combines a powder-coated steel frame with carbon fiber panels, measuring 185 by 90 by 136 centimeters and weighing just 68 kilograms, yet carrying up to 130 kilograms. Each of its 4 20-inch wheels has independent suspension and hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring smooth, safe rides on any road. Power comes from a 14-speed pedal drive paired with a 250W hub motor, offering start assist, reverse gear, adjustable pedal assist, and regenerative braking. Its top speed reaches 25 km per hour in pedal-only mode, or 45 km per hour in L6E classification. Context and real-world impact. The Pedillo isn't just fast, it's smart. A 100W rooftop solar panel adds 20 to 30 kilometers of range per day, meaning less charging, more freedom, and greener urban travel. With twin batteries, the range extends up to 120 kilometers, turning city commutes into effortless journeys. Closing statement. Light, nimble, and solar-powered, the Pedillo proves that sustainable urban mobility can be exciting, stylish, and entirely future-ready. Ride the future above the waves. Imagine flying over water instead of cutting through it. That's exactly what the Valo Hyperfoil Alpha prototype delivers. This 2-seat electric hydrofoil isn't just a watercraft, it's a floating piece of the future. Built from high modulus carbon fiber, titanium, and stainless steel, it's both lightweight and incredibly strong. At just 330 kilograms empty, it can still carry a payload of 170 kilograms while supporting a total weight of 500 kilograms. Powering this beast is a 45 kilowatts electric drive with a shaft-driven propulsion system, paired with Skyride active stabilization software. The result? Smooth, precise turns that feel like carving through air. With a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a runtime of over 2 hours per charge, it blends performance with endurance. Its extendable foils and tilting strut make beach landings and shallow water handling surprisingly easy, something most hydrofoils can't offer. And since it runs silently with zero emissions, you get an adrenaline rush without leaving a footprint. The Valo Hyperfoil isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse of tomorrow's adventure sport. One ride, and you'll never see the ocean the same way again. JetLev Flyer. The water-powered jetpack. Imagine strapping on a jetpack and soaring above the waves like a scene from a sci-fi movie. That's exactly what the JetLev Flyer delivers. This isn't fantasy. It's real, powerful, and ready for action. At its core, the JetLev Flyer uses the raw force of water to launch you into the air. A floating pump draws water from the ocean or lake, pushing it through a hose into 2 nozzles on your back. The result? Pure thrust that lifts you skyward, clocking speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, 70 km per hour, and giving you around 30 minutes of flight per fuel tank. It's built for both thrill and endurance. The controls are surprisingly simple. Just a joystick for direction and a throttle for power, so even first-timers can pick it up quickly. This jetpack isn't just another water toy. It redefines extreme sports, blending cutting-edge engineering with the raw excitement of flight. The JetLev Flyer proves one thing. The future of adventure is no longer on the horizon. It's already here, waiting above the water. Meet the Roadscar 4W1P, the four-wheeled bike that feels like the future of cycling. This lightweight single-seater is built on a tough jig-welded steel frame, yet it stays incredibly nimble at just 70 to 80 pounds. With bicycle-style steering and up to 42-speed gearing, it offers both simplicity for casual rides and precision for serious cyclists. Disc brakes come standard, ensuring safety and control on every ride. But the real game changer? The optional PD 750 electric assist. It gives you smooth pedal support up to 18 miles per hour, with a range of 30 to 60 miles depending on the battery setup. That means longer rides, less effort, and more adventure. The Roadscar doesn't stop at performance. It's packed with thoughtful extras like thorn-proof tubes, Kevlar liners, fenders, seatbelts, cargo space, and even rear-view mirrors. Perfect for recreation, commuting, or light cargo hauling, it's a true hybrid of strength, speed, and versatility. The Roadscar 4W1P isn't just a ride, it's a new way to move. Hellfire. This isn't a truck, it's a fire-breathing monster on wheels. Meet Hellfire. A 1995 Freightliner reborn as one of the wildest machines on Earth. Under its frame sits a General Electric J79 jet engine straight from an F-4 Phantom fighter jet. The result? A mind-blowing 18,000 horsepower packed into a truck that no longer carries cargo, only chaos. Hellfire doesn't just move, it unleashes. Flames shoot 23 meters from its exhaust, lighting up the sky as it roars past at speeds topping 300 kilometers per hour. Blink, and it's already gone. Now touring across North America, this beast isn't hauling freight, it's hauling pure adrenaline. Fans watch in awe as it devours fuel and tears down the track, every run feeling like it drinks a barrel of jet fuel just to cross the finish line. Hellfire isn't just a showpiece. It's proof of how far human imagination can push the limits of engineering. A truck turned into a jet-fueled spectacle, built to shock, thrill, and leave crowds breathless. Imagine unloading a massive 40-ton container in just minutes, without using a giant crane. That's exactly what the Hammer 110 Mega Reach sideloader makes possible. This powerhouse weighs only 8.4 tons, far lighter than most competitors, yet it handles heavy containers with ease. Its stabilizer legs are designed with a unique stepping mode, letting it stride smoothly over neighboring chassis. That means faster, cleaner operations without the hassle of shifting vehicles around. Loading is lightning fast, taking just 2 to 4 minutes. Its chassis adjusts from 6 to 14 meters, making it compatible with almost any container size. It can even stack 2 containers on top of each other, and thanks to its clever design, the ground beneath stays firm, even after heavy rain. For even quicker jobs, the sled mode keeps the legs folded, extending only 2 meters for speed and efficiency. And when mounted directly on a truck chassis, it delivers unmatched maneuverability. The Hammer 110 isn't just a loader, it's redefining how the world moves containers. Super Kayak. Imagine a kayak that packs into a bag, inflates in minutes, and glides across the water like a pro. That's the Super Kayak, a futuristic ride built for speed, balance, and adventure. This inflatable sit-on-top catamaran is designed to perform. Stretching 12 feet long and just 29 pounds in weight, it's surprisingly portable. Deflate it, and the whole kayak folds into a compact bag you can carry with ease. Yet, once it's on the water, its spindle-shaped floats cut through waves smoothly, reaching cruising speeds of 6 kilometers per hour and pushing up to 11 kilometers per hour when you're chasing thrills. Setup is effortless. A rechargeable electric pump gets it water ready in just 4 to 5 minutes. The wide, elevated seat keeps your posture natural and makes reboarding simple, even after a capsize. Its modular build means quick repairs or upgrades, while add-ons like a mast sail, motor, or even a solar drive expand what it can do. Built in the UK with a 2-year warranty, the Super Kayak isn't just another watercraft, it's a bold step toward redefining portable adventure.
The Adrenaline ZRX-47 isn't your typical boat. It's a high-speed, thrill-packed powerboat built for those who crave adventure on the water. Powered by twin-turbo Mercury racing engines, this sleek machine can reach jaw-dropping speeds of over 150 miles per hour. Every ride feels like a shot of pure adrenaline. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and a smart hydrodynamic hull design, it cuts through the water effortlessly, giving you speed, agility, and smooth performance all in one. But it's not just a speed demon, it's also built for comfort. The ZRX-47 features cozy, premium seating, high-tech controls, and a roomy cockpit that makes fast cruising feel both exciting and luxurious. Whether you're racing across the waves or just enjoying a day out on the open water, the Adrenaline ZRX-47 brings power, style, and serious fun to every journey.
S750K. The S750K is a powerful and luxurious airboat made for both work and adventure. It's from 2020 and measures 8.4 meters long. It can carry up to 1.8 tons of gear and fit as many as 10 people on board. This boat can zoom through water at 70 knots, making it perfect for fast travel in areas that are hard to reach. It has 2 layers of soundproofing to keep it quiet inside, and you can choose between a leather or wooden finish for the interior. Big tinted windows give you amazing views and a cozy connection with nature. The seats are super comfy, and the control panel is designed to be easy to use. The back seat can even turn into a comfy bed. This boat can be used for rescue missions, passenger trips, hunting, fishing, and even exploring remote areas. It's like a luxury van, but on water and way more exciting. It combines rugged ability with top-class comfort.
Imagine a military vehicle that doesn't just drive, it conquers every obstacle in its path. Meet the Rheinmetall Caracal, a rugged beast born from the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class platform. This airborne-ready vehicle is built to dominate extreme conditions. It climbs over obstacles as high as 33 centimeters, crosses trenches half a meter wide, and even powers through water up to 75 centimeters deep. Whether it's rough terrain, mud, or flooded roads, the Caracal keeps moving without hesitation. But this machine isn't just about brute force. Its versatility makes it a game-changer. It can transport troops into dangerous zones, carry vital medical supplies, or handle logistics in places where ordinary vehicles simply fail. That adaptability means it's not just another military truck, it's a lifeline in critical missions. The proof? Even the Netherlands recognized its potential and placed a major order, showing how quickly it's winning trust across Europe. The Caracal isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of how modern engineering is reshaping mobility on the battlefield. One thing's clear: wherever soldiers need to go, the Caracal will get them there. Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R. Buckle up. This isn't just a remote control truck, it's a full-blown beast built for speed and power. The Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R is a 1/10 scale short-course monster that pushes RC performance to the next level. Powered by a brushless Valinian 540XL motor and VXL4's ESC, it rockets past 60 miles per hour on 4S LiPo batteries. Speed you can feel even from the controller. Wrapped in a licensed Ford Raptor R body with sleek clipless styling and bright LED lights, it looks every bit as fierce as it drives. Underneath, a modular chassis teams up with aluminum GTR shocks, titanium nitride-coated shafts, and reinforced suspension arms to handle brutal jumps and rough terrain with ease. Full-time 4WD, a center differential, and Traxxas stability management keep it glued to the ground, while the TQI radio system with app-based telemetry gives you pro-level control at your fingertips. At just 3 kilograms, this $650 ready-to-race truck isn't a toy. It's a statement of speed, style, and engineering. When you unleash the Raptor R, you're not just racing, you're rewriting what's possible in the RC world. Veloci Racks. Tired of struggling with heavy bike racks? Meet Veloci Racks, the game changer that makes loading your bikes effortless. Instead of lifting and straining, the rack's smart damper system gently lowers to the ground. Just roll your bike into the wheel baskets, and you're done. No heavy lifting, no hassle. But convenience isn't all it offers. Veloci Racks can carry up to 5 bikes with a combined weight of 136 kilograms. Each basket holds 45 kilograms, which is almost twice the strength of most competitors. Plus, with its patented camp mode system, you can load bikes even while the rack is still attached to your vehicle. Worried about bumpy roads? Its built-in anti-rattle mechanism keeps things steady and whisper quiet, no matter where your adventure takes you. The only small trade-off? It's not car wash friendly, so you'll need to stick to the old-fashioned hand wash. Veloci Racks isn't just a rack, it's a smarter, stronger way to bring your bikes wherever you go. So, how many bikes does your family own? Would 5 slots be enough for your next adventure? Meet the Irma Typhon Mega 665 4x4, a buggy built to unleash pure power. This 1/8 scale monster doesn't just look aggressive, it's engineered for speed and control. At its heart is a high-speed Mega 665 14-turn brushed motor, boosted with an aluminum heatsink and a 35mm cooling fan. That's an 11% performance jump from the older 550 motor, giving you explosive acceleration the moment you hit the trigger. Every detail is designed for maximum grip and stability. The full-time 4WD, brushless ready transmission, and adjustable oil-filled suspension let it tear across dirt, gravel, or pavement without breaking a sweat. Its Deboots 2HO multi-surface tires keep it planted, while a waterproof ESC, Metal Gear servo, and Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz electronics ensure smooth, reliable control in any condition. The Typhon's tough chassis is lightweight yet strong, weighing just under 3 kilograms, and supports dual LiPo packs for serious runtime. All you need is a battery and charger, and you're ready to dominate. At around $270, it delivers premium performance and upgrade potential without the premium price. This isn't just a buggy, it's your ticket to off-road domination. Imagine mastering a massive crane without ever stepping onto a real construction site. That's exactly what the Palfinger VR1 delivers, a groundbreaking virtual reality training kit that fits inside a single suitcase. Open it up, and you'll find a real Palcom P7 control unit paired with VR goggles. Beginners can safely learn the basics, while experienced operators can push their skills with advanced maneuvers under extreme conditions, all without burning fuel, damaging equipment, or risking lives. The simulator recreates construction sites, busy city streets, and industrial factories with centimeter-level precision. And with regular online updates, new cranes and training environments keep the experience fresh and challenging. One compact kit replaces an entire fleet of training vehicles and a team of instructors. Trainees can even practice under simulated fatigue and distractions, preparing them for the toughest real-world scenarios. Models like the PK Tech 7 and PK 370 Tech are included, covering a wide range of tasks. This isn't just a training tool, it's a smarter, safer, and more cost-effective way to build the future of heavy machinery operation. And it raises an intriguing question: if crane operators are training in VR, shouldn't truck drivers follow next?
The Seacart 335 is a fun and versatile watercraft that combines the best parts of a jet ski and an inflatable boat. It's small, easy to handle, and offers strong performance, making it a great choice whether you want it as your main ride or as a tender for a yacht. It can carry up to 5 people comfortably, and depending on the engine, can reach speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour. Its jet propulsion system makes it ideal for exciting activities like water skiing and wakeboarding. At the same time, it's much more comfortable than a regular jet ski, especially for longer rides, which makes it appealing for families too. Whether you're looking for high-speed thrills or a more relaxed water adventure, the Seacart 335 offers a great balance of comfort and excitement. The Hister X1 is a luxury sailing yacht that looks sleek and powerful. It's 19.72 meters long and made with a strong carbon hull that also looks stylish. Inside, it feels like a 5-star hotel, with 3 guest cabins, 6 beds, and 3 bathrooms. Whether you're sailing in shallow bays or deep ocean waters, it glides smoothly with a draft of just 0.92 meters. The yacht has 2 ways to move, using the wind with its large sails or using powerful engines. With sails, it can go up to 20 knots, and with engines, up to 30 knots. The X1 also has a large 70 square meter lounge that can turn into a beach club with deck space and a swim platform. It's not just a boat, it's a floating vacation home. Prices start at €4.5 million, making it a luxurious and elegant option for serious sea lovers.
Scania NXT, the future of city transport. The Scania NXT is a fully electric truck designed to change the way goods are moved in cities. Its main focus is on sustainability and reducing harmful emissions. Because it's electric, the NXT offers a completely quiet and zero-emission driving experience. This makes it perfect for city deliveries, especially in areas where noise and pollution are big concerns. One of its coolest features is its modular design. This means the truck can be customized for different jobs while still carrying a heavy load. Whether it's for deliveries, waste collection, or other tasks, the NXT can adapt to fit the need. It's powered by a highly efficient electric drivetrain, which helps cut down on fuel and maintenance costs compared to traditional diesel trucks. The NXT also has autonomous driving features. This improves safety and efficiency, making city transportation smoother and smarter. Scania's vision is to have fleets of NXT trucks working together to reduce traffic emissions and create cleaner, greener cities. Instead of letting air drag slow trucks down, Rocketail uses aerodynamic wings, just like airplane wings, to cut drag by over 3%. That's verified by both Smartway and California's CARB Commission. The wings deploy automatically when doors shut and fold away when opened, meaning no warehouse accidents and zero hassle for drivers. Built from a tough, gas-infused polymer, they bend without breaking, weigh less than 11 kilograms each, and need almost no upkeep. Installation? Just 35 minutes for a standard trailer, or a little over an hour for a refrigerated one, no drilling required. Globe context and real-world impact. When paired with side skirts, Rocketail pushes trailers into the top aerodynamic category, saving fuel, reducing emissions, and slashing costs for the transport industry. Fire closing statement. Rocketail proves that sometimes the smartest road innovations come straight from the skies. Atlas ATV. Built for extreme adventures. The Atlas ATV is a tough, all-terrain vehicle made by the Russian company Atlas. It's based on the famous Sherp ATV and is designed to handle the most challenging off-road conditions. This vehicle can go almost anywhere. Snow, mud, sand, or even water. The Atlas ATV powers through it all with ease. That's why it's a popular choice for rescue teams and emergency missions where reliability matters most. It runs on a strong 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, giving it plenty of power. The top speed is around 50 kilometers per hour, which is impressive for a vehicle built for extreme terrain. The Atlas comes packed with features made for off-road adventures. It has air suspension for a smooth ride, a low center of gravity for better stability, and plenty of ground clearance to get over obstacles. Thanks to its durable design, the Atlas is trusted by both individuals and organizations who need a dependable vehicle for tough jobs or wild adventures. Prices start at $135,000, making it an investment in power, performance, and reliability. If you need a vehicle that can go where others can't, the Atlas ATV is ready for the challenge. E-Jet Cycle, the future of riding on water. Imagine gliding across the water with the speed of a boat and the freedom of a bike. That's exactly what the E-Jet Cycle delivers. A cutting-edge hydrofoil water bike powered by both your legs and a whisper-quiet electric assist. At just 55 kilograms, its sleek carbon fiber frame and hydrofoil floats keep it lightweight yet incredibly stable. The tri-hull design ensures perfect balance, while the advanced hydrofoil system lifts you smoothly above the waves. You can launch at 10 kilometers per hour, cruise comfortably at 15 kilometers per hour, and push up to 20 kilometers per hour for a thrilling ride. A 200W electric crankset gives adjustable pedal support, offering up to 3 hours of runtime, ideal for long, effortless sessions on open water. The design doesn't just look futuristic, it feels premium too, with a nautical leather bucket seat, anti-slip pads, and easy-to-control steering and altitude levers. Built in France, the E-Jet Cycle is fully emission-free, combining eco-friendly innovation with adrenaline-pumping adventure. This isn't just a water bike, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable aquatic sports. Meet the Irma Typhon 223 SBLX, a beastly 1/8 scale buggy built for pure speed and unstoppable action. Features and benefits. Right out of the box, it's ready to roar with a powerful 3,100 kV brushless motor, a waterproof ESC, and a responsive metal gear servo. On a 2S battery, it blasts past 35 miles per hour. Switch to 3S, and it tears across the ground at over 50 miles per hour. Every part is engineered for strength and control, from its ventilated composite chassis and all-metal diffs to the oil-filled shocks and telescopic drive shafts. The clipless body system makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the dynamic stability control keeps every run smooth and steady. Context and real-world impact. Whether you're new to the RC world or a seasoned basher, the Typhon delivers raw power and rugged durability that push boundaries. It's not just a buggy, it's a full-throttle experience built to dominate dirt, grass, and pavement alike. Closing statement. This is speed, strength, and style packed into one machine. The Typhon 223 SBLX isn't just built to race, it's built to rule. Imagine gliding through the city on a scooter that feels straight out of the future. That's the Inventions M4, built to turn everyday travel into an adventure. Powered by a UL-certified 48 volts battery, it delivers a range of up to 40 kilometers on a single charge. That means fewer worries about running out of power and more time enjoying the ride. Designed for riders around 60 kilograms but tough enough to handle up to 330 pounds, the M4 strikes the perfect balance between strength and flexibility. Its foldable frame and adjustable handlebars make it practical for any rider, while its 51-pound weight keeps it light enough to carry and store with ease. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Bright LED headlights, rear brake lights, side lights, and turn signals keep you visible and confident, day or night. This scooter isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making every ride smarter, safer, and more exciting. The Inventions M4 redefines urban mobility, proving that the future of commuting is already here.
The Flightboard E-Foil is an electric surfboard with a hydrofoil that lets you glide effortlessly above the water, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 40 kilometers of thrilling rides. Crafted from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, it offers both power and agility, making every ride feel smooth and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Flightboard E-Foil promises a unique, fun, and adrenaline-pumping experience on the water. Get ready to soar and explore the waves like never before.
The next system's designed to simplify work with tanker trailers. It's available in various versions, but the idea is more or less the same. Retractable handrails. They usually operate via a pneumatic system and move up and down at the press of a button. It doesn't matter whether the trailer holds milk or gasoline, these handrails will always be useful. They can also be installed on just one side and feature automatic folding. For example, depending on the position of the brake pedal the engineer's at. BPW half.
The 84 Summer Sun houseboat is a large and luxurious option, ideal for family trips or group vacations. Measuring 84 feet long and 16 feet wide, it offers a generous 1,344 square feet of living space. Inside, the boat features a modern and comfortable interior, with a spacious living area perfect for relaxing and spending time with others. The kitchen comes fully equipped, making it easy to prepare meals, while the bedrooms provide privacy and comfort. One of the highlights is the flybridge, where you can enjoy fresh air and scenic views. There's also a built-in barbecue grill for outdoor cooking and a covered patio that offers shade from the sun. With a price of $379,990, the Summer Sun houseboat is a great choice for those looking for a stylish and roomy getaway on the water.
Ipolgo Inflatable Air Tent is a versatile and spacious shelter designed for camping and outdoor activities, measuring approximately 3.5 m in length, 2.5 m in width, and 2.5 m in height. It comfortably accommodates up to 4 to 6 people. The tent's inflatable design allows for quick and easy setup, eliminating the need for traditional poles constructed from durable materials. It offers protection against the elements, ensuring a comfortable camping experience. Users have praised its ample space and ease of setup, making it a convenient choice for family camping trips. However, some have noted that the tent's weight and size may be cumbersome for those requiring portability. Overall, the Ipolgo Inflatable Air Tent offers a blend of convenience and comfort for outdoor.
What if a bus could glide through turns, brake hard without dipping, and swallow potholes like they never existed? Features and benefits. Meet the V-Series suspension system by Freightliner Custom Chassis, a game-changer in ride comfort and control. This advanced setup keeps the bus almost perfectly level in sharp turns, prevents that forward lurch when braking, and shrugs off even the nastiest bumps without shaking the steering wheel. No bump steer, no sudden jolts, just smooth, confident driving. Context and real-world impact. For passengers, it means no more constant jostling on long trips. For drivers, it means fewer steering corrections and a calmer, more focused drive. And when it comes to durability, the bushings are built to last an incredible 240,000 kilometers without noticeable wear. That's serious reliability in an industry where downtime costs money. Closing statement. In a world of tight schedules and unpredictable roads, the V-Series suspension doesn't just carry passengers, it carries confidence. The Intellectra Cargo Quad Cycle is not your average cargo bike, it's a futuristic four-wheeled powerhouse built to conquer the city. With its electric assist system delivering up to 2.4 kilowatts of pedal-by-wire power and a massive 190 Newton-meters of torque, this machine pushes urban speeds of 25 kilometers per hour with ease. It's strong, stable, and surprisingly agile for its size. The real star is its modular aluminum payload bed, stretching 1.21 meters and carrying up to 992 pounds, including rider and cargo. From groceries to heavy equipment, it handles it all without breaking a sweat. Compact yet tough, the chassis measures just 1.62 meters long and 0.63 meters wide, making it perfect for weaving through narrow city streets. Add intuitive controls, a reverse gear, and a practical 93 kilometers range with interchangeable batteries, and you've got zero downtime city logistics at your fingertips. This is more than a cargo bike, it's a new vision of urban transport, blending strength, efficiency, and flexibility. The Intellectra Cargo Quad Cycle isn't just built for the city, it's built to redefine it.